Welcome to Breaking the Bottleneck. Join us on an epic quest to defeat soaring costs, crush project delays, and secure the future of urban housing through innovative solutions. Traditional building can feel like drowning in mud. Between endless permit delays, mountains of red tape, and rising invoices, developers are often left trapped behind a desk rather than building the homes our cities desperately need. Out on the construction site, it is often a battle against the elements and the economy. From labor shortages to the unpredictable volatility of material prices, the old way of building is simply breaking the bank. Enter the Modular Solution. Why struggle with the chaos of the past when you can build the future? A faster, smarter way to develop has arrived to cut through the bottlenecks. Meet the ultimate master tool, the Modular Viability Assessment, or MVA. This tool eliminates guesswork, using predictive analytics and financial modeling to calculate exact success metrics before a single shovel hits the dirt. Welcome to our Modular Masterclass. By moving construction inside a controlled factory environment, we eliminate common variables like rain, labor shortages, and unexpected subcontractor surprises, ensuring millimeter-perfect precision. Stop the 18-month linear crawl. Our approach is 80% faster, allowing you to deliver homes in weeks, not months. Through parallel manufacturing, we build and prepare the site simultaneously. Experience harmony in motion. Instead of piles of raw lumber and chaos, completed rooms arrive on-site ready for integration. It's like a giant puzzle where every piece fits perfectly, eliminating waste. Our Power Matrix helps you defeat the villains of the old way. From climate control and robotic precision to parallel execution and fixed costs, we provide the superpowers needed for modern development. The ultimate reward is a community built with speed and quality. Fast delivery means faster occupancy, providing safe, beautiful homes exactly when the city needs them most. Build a skyline that lasts. By choosing a scalable, predictable, and profitable path, you can lead the housing revolution and become a true pioneer in the industry. The next issue is your project. Are you ready to stop fighting the old ways? Eliminate the guesswork, deploy the MVA, and master off-site systems. Engage the Modular Solution today.